Hi guys, welcome back. We are about to set our table and I'm so excited to share with you how I do my place settings. We've got everything right here and we're gonna get started. A lot of you probably already know how to properly set a table, but I'm just gonna show you what I do and hopefully, you know, you can take what you want that I share. If you don't like it, that's fine too, but I thought I would just share. So let's get started. All right, so first we're gonna start out with our chargers. And a charger is basically like a placemat. You can use a placemat, but I prefer chargers. So each guest will get a charger. And then we will go in with our plates. Now, these are not my best china, I would say, but one thing that I do, and I think this is also a great tip, is just buy white. All your plates and bowls and things like that, if you buy white, everything will always match and it will just have a cohesive look, okay? So we're gonna set our plates on top of the chargers. Very simple. All right, and then we're going to do stemware. Now, my sexy assistant behind the camera will let you know that I have a slight addiction, okay? I don't even drink that much, but I love stemware, and so I have a lot of it. One thing that I want you to know is the captain's chairs, which are the two heads of the table. You can always do something a little different with their place settings to make them feel a little more special, and usually they are the host, and so, you know, they kind of want to stand out. Okay, so we've got our chargers and our plates set. Now we are going to set down our stemware. Again, I have a slight addiction, but when you're placing your stemware, you want to start with your water glass, red wine to white wine from left to right. It should go in the upper right-hand corner. So I'm a little fancy and we're using these goblets as our water glasses, okay? Upper right. And then because we will be toasting with champagne, that's going to go to the right of our water glass. Okay guys, we're back. So we have set our plates, we've set our chargers, we've set our stemware, and now I'm gonna show you how to formally set your silverware. As I said before, rules are kind of boring, but it's good to know how to formally set a table because you never know what kind of dignitaries may be coming into your home one day. So just a quick FYI, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your dinner fork, that's gonna go on the left, okay? Then you're gonna take your knife, blade inward, and that's gonna go on the right. You're gonna take your soup spoon, okay? That's gonna go to the right of the knife. And then these act as either dessert spoons, or this can be like a teaspoon if you're doing tea or something like that, but really they have a spoon even smaller than this if you really want to get fancy. We're not getting that fancy, okay? Use this for your cappuccino or whatever you have after dinner. But your dessert fork is going to go at the top of your place setting, prongs facing to the right, and then your dessert spoon is going to go atop of that facing to the left. And that's it, guys. It's that simple. So now we're gonna go ahead and put the napkins down and then do all the pretty aesthetic-y accoutrement, and then we'll show you the finished product. Okay, so we are folding our napkins, and I'm gonna do just a diamond napkin fold. You're gonna bring the corner in, or actually this is more of a triangle napkin fold. I really don't know what this is called, if I'm being honest with you. This is how I always fold my napkins. I don't really ever do anything different. And as you can see, I'm having a little bit of trouble. And then I fold that in half, so it's more of a triangle, okay? And then we're gonna put our napkin ring on there. And because we are doing a formal place setting, you do set the napkin on the plate, okay? And then just for a little bit of eye candy, we're gonna take some of that leftover foliage and we're gonna place that right there. All right, guys, so you have got a beautiful table setting with some tablescape. It's a formal place setting, and I hope you guys got enjoyment out of the video. I truly enjoyed doing it, and I hope you learned something. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.